and welcome in this new video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a global variable in a function. Because in the last video, we have seen that all the variables in the function are local variable and all variables outside the function are global variable. But sometimes you want to work with global variable in a function. So let me just show you first. So I create a function and I create a variable then I launch the function and I want to print the variable. But now I cannot do it because variable stay a local variable. If I want to create a global variable, I just need to use the global operator. So global variable. And now our variable is a global variable. So I can call it outside the function. So it's not a thing that I use all the day, but in some situation it's very interesting to know it.